Hi, I'm Rafi Nazim, co-founder of Falcon and Storm, the story studio for media and entertainment. I've teamed up with the Scan AI team to come to GTC 24 this year, and it's a really exciting time. There's a lot of buzz about what's happening in the industry of generative AI, digital twins, and the media entertainment space that's benefiting from technologies like Omniverse and world-scale digital twins. Because I'm an Nvidia ambassador, I get to speak to some really exciting folk from the team. For example, Michael Kaplan from the media and entertainment space, Mike Geyer, who heads up the digital twin and industrial metaverse team, as well as Craig Barr, who's going to walk us through some generative AI initiatives that are really transforming multiple industries. So without further ado, let's go take a look.
Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more, make you overdose. Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more. Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more, make you overdose. Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more.
Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more, make you overdose. Damn, look at that, they broke the mold. Give you some more.
I'm at the Scan AI booth, and I'm so excited to speak to Mike Geyer from Nvidia. Mike is the head of digital twins at Nvidia and also industrial metaverse. Now, at Jensen's keynote yesterday, one of the things that stood out to me was creating a digital twin at a planetary scale, basically Earth 2, which is mind-boggling to me, but you're the best person to talk about this because you are heading up digital twins. So how do you feel about that, Mike?
Yeah, hey Rafi, it's great to be here. I think that what Jensen talked about with the digital twin of Earth 2 is really kind of mind-blowing. When you think about creating a digital twin, a functioning 3D digital model that can predict weather patterns. And so what we're really trying to do is help the whole world determine when and if there might be a disaster coming so that we can get people out of the way, we can create safety, and really looking at the entire planet because you've got weather data. So anywhere that you've got comprehensive data, you can do AI prediction. And that's really what we're trying to do with Earth 2.
I'm joined by Craig Barr from the technical marketing engineering team here at Nvidia. And Craig, this morning you shared with the crowd some really interesting use cases of generative AI in product design for various sectors. For those who weren't able to catch that, do you mind giving us a bit of a recap on what you talked about?
Sure. So what the discussion was primarily was generative AI in design as a generic kind of umbrella, but then diving down into the specifics of things like product design and also within the manufacturing area, so right into automotive. And the key takeaway, or what I felt was the most important takeaway for the people there, the viewers for that talk, was that generative AI is an expansion of your existing tool set. It's an incredibly powerful tool on its own, and it's opening up to all different areas of tools for the design workflow.
So pleased to be joined by Michael Kaplan from Nvidia. Michael gets involved in a lot of the media and entertainment initiatives, and I really want to start with some of the keynote announcements that's got you excited about media and entertainment.
I love the keynote. It was loaded with a ton of information. The way I want to start talking about it, almost in the order of how it was presented, we talked about NVIDIA Inference Microservice, or NIM. NIM is a way, it's the way we've taken a lot of our libraries and have accelerated them and put them into a nice clean container that's accessible to our customers and partners for an easy on-ramp to the generative AI roadway. Sometimes people don't want to do a lot of software development and coding, and they don't want to take weeks and months of doing
I'm one of them.
And that's what NIM is for, and it's going to help somebody like yourself get started quickly because we've done a lot of the hard work for you. That was the first thing that I really...
Oh wait, Michael, so that sounds really compelling, especially for somebody like me who's going the no-code route.
Sure.
Where do I go to get started? Is there a URL or...
Perfect. Yeah, we made an announcement yesterday about ai.nvidia.com, and please hit that up, check it out. It's going to be a great landing site where you actually can start to test out software. You'll find how you take your next steps towards production. And all the tools are there. It's a great location to really start or go back and validate that what you're doing today is the right thing. ai.nvidia.com.
So that was day 2 of GTC. Wow, robots, fantastic new hardware on display, amazing demos from Nvidia and startups in this space. I really enjoyed the conversation with Michael Geyer about digital twins and the industrial metaverse, a whole space that really opened my eyes to what generative AI and Omniverse can do. I love speaking to Michael Kaplan about the media and entertainment industry and the shifts that are happening there, as well as Craig Barr walking through the generative AI tools and services that are being rolled out by Nvidia themselves. So, if you like this kind of stuff, stay tuned to this channel, stay tuned to Scan AI and Scan Computers as they deliver more content from GTC all week.